What's up, my juice lovers? Charlie Wettlaufer here. Today we're talking all about the most important tool you can get if you're trying to create your own amazing juice recipes. And that is this book right here called The Juicing Companion. This is written by Chef Ari Sexner, the juicing expert when it comes to creating recipes. He's created recipes for literally probably over 300 juice bars and juice companies all over the world in many different countries. And this book is sort of a culmination of all of his knowledge that he's learned over the last 10 years working exclusively in the juicing industry as a chef. Put it all into this book. And the reason I love this book is because it's not just a recipe book. There are some amazing recipes in here, but really what it is an idea book. So for example, let's say you're at the market and you see that they have lavender on sale because it's in season. You open the book up to the L for lavender because everything's in alphabetical order. And on the lavender page, it gives you all these ideas of what you can do with lavender, what kind of ingredients you can mix it with. First, it gives you the health benefits. For example, lavender fights depression, helps with insomnia, prevents headaches, prevents vomiting, prevents some forms of cancer, prevents acne, relieves stress, promotes restful sleep. Then it gets into the flavor pairings. Apricot, arugula, basil, berries, cherry, cinnamon, citrus, coconut, fig, and the list goes on. It gives you about 25 pairings here. And then it even gives you some ideas at the bottom. For example, lavender plus almond milk plus honey. That sounds delicious. I like this idea of lavender plus watermelon, but I don't really want to use cucumber or lime. Let's see what else goes with watermelon. So then you go to the W and flip to watermelon. There we go, watermelon. And then there's other really useful tools in this book. For example, the seasonal availability list is amazing. It gives you the seasonal availability in a really cool graphical chart that's really fun to look at and visualize, like what things are in season when, right? When things are red, that means they're in season. Green is available. And when it's just grayed out, when there's nothing, that means it's not really available around then. There's also a preparing produce for juice guide. So it gives you the range of types of produce here, and then how to prepare each type of produce: lemons and limes, watermelons, cantaloupe and honeydew. The beautiful recipe section in the back has lots of amazing recipes here along with the health benefits. And then there's also a boosters and additives section where it talks about adding powdered supplements and things to your juice and sweeteners and whatnot. This is the second edition. It's available on Amazon. It's also available on goodnature.com. So highly recommend. This is a definite buy if you want to create your own amazing recipes.